There you go, a very Spanish scene for you. Some olive trees up against a mountainside with a blue sky and some fluffy clouds. Thought I'd go for a little walk. Temperature's about 40 Celsius. I'm going to stick to the shade until I hit the sun. So you might have a look in the summer as things start to go from green to brown. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the wildlife, and I won't be able to give you the names of most of the birds I see because there's so many and they're so quick, and a lot of them are green and brown. It's only when you get to see the odd flash of colour that you can determine. You have to excuse the flip of my flops. Well, we're in Spain, what did you expect? That little white building there is where most of the electricity is housed, like a little substation. And although it's hot, and it is very hot, it's a nice heat today. It's not too dry and it's not muggy. There's a bit of freshness in the air, which is always welcome here. I'll go over to my favourite rock and stand on it. It's one of my hobbies, rock standing. Find a good rock, go and stand on it. They seldom complain. You can hear the crunch. This is how dry we're getting already. My biggest fear here, since the nonsense with the eviction and everything, is actually fire. We're without water still for great swathes of the day, and if it was to kick off, or a spark were to ignite and people were asleep, especially during siesta, wouldn't be a good experience to be in a fire here. This is why I like to come to this rock. For those that haven't seen where I am before, I'm here. Now we've had a bit of, could be good news. We might have found somewhere of our own to buy and convert, next to a river, behind a set of agricultural allotments, near a very well-known historic area. We're negotiating at the moment. We've had an offer accepted, but that means nothing yet, so the lawyers obviously have to get involved. And I'll miss this place, obviously. I'll miss this view, but if we are successful and we do manage to leave here for this place, because we won't ever rent again anywhere, even a plot of land, we just won't do it. We'll only be purchasing in future. So I will make a video of this place, and you can have a look at the new place as well. This neighbour with his moped and his dog, he's got the worst timing. There's only 5 of us here at the moment, and every time I make a video during the day, cheers everyone, I hope you enjoyed this.